What's the meaning of anguished? Anguished. 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 Anguished.
Anguished is an adjective that describes a state of extreme physical or emotional pain, distress, or agony. It connotes a deep and intense level of suffering which may result from a variety of causes, such as grief, loss, trauma, or physical injury. The feeling of anguish can be overwhelming, and it often manifests through physical symptoms such as tears, shaking, or hyperventilation. Overall, anguished is a powerful word that expresses the extent of someone's pain and despair, emphasizing the seriousness of their situation.